Wahala for rush hour people wey dey do procrastination promas. My people, make we talk true, dis thing don turn national character. You go drop announcement on the 1st, deadline 30th, but dem go still wait like say 29 dey do Black Friday promo. Na that last day dem go appear like say na NYSC parade. From 1st to 21st, everywhere go empty like church wey pastor never dedicate. But once dem announce 24 hours remaining, boom! Everywhere go full like church wey dey do crusade and share free jollof. Person wey come late go still do gra-gra. Oga, at ten d to me first. I come here, I senior everybody wey dey here. Senior who? Senior date wey you no respect? Our elders talk say, if you wake early, dew go touch you. If you wake late, sun go beat you. Na why rush hour people dey always sweat confusion. The true talk be say, no be everything suppose reach that last hour before Holy Spirit go remind you. Life no be exam hall wey invigilator go shout 10 minutes more before your brain go open. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk. I salute una. Una do.